Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In videos, I am going to show you how to create multiple Instagram account. You can create unlimited Instagram account here. So I won't take much time. So I will show you in short. So what we are going to use a proxy. You are use mobilehop.com proxy here. You can take monthly pack, daily pack, 7 days pack. We can see here that we have monthly, weekly, 40 hours, 20 hours proxy available. We are use mobile hop proxy here. Monthly, there is also single hop, multi hop. We have connected our proxy here. You can click on connected. The proxy is connected. You can see that there's many proxy here. You can create an account use this proxy. You can take HTTP or SOCKS pipe mode. At this point, use password, username also take, and I have set a proxy here. You can see that settings here, USA proxy, mobile hop proxy. I have set this proxy here. So when we are open the profile, after open we will search for Instagram here. After search, I will open Instagram. I will not give any kind of an accounts. I can easily create an Instagram account, multiple Instagram account. Create. Okay, use more. You can minimize when you will take another profile, add profile, and set up proxy, any proxy setup, port copy, address copy. Okay, paste, and login password, username copy, and password copy, paste. Okay, and create profile and open Instagram. Okay, through Instagram account use create unlimited Instagram account create. Very easy process, very easy process. Mobile hop is very good proxy. Printed my description and first comment. Please check here. Any proxy needed, please knock me telegram. Okay, thank you so much everyone.